In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use levels in GIMP. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fine-tune shadows, midtones, and highlights so your image looks balanced and vivid without overdoing it. First, let's bring your image into GIMP. Head to the top menu and choose File, then Open. In the file browser that appears, select your image and confirm. Your photo will load onto the canvas, ready to edit. Now we'll open the Levels tool. Go to the Colors menu and click Levels. This brings up a dedicated window that's central to precise tonal correction. Front and center, you'll see a histogram, which is a graph showing the distribution of tones in your image. The left side represents the dark tones. The middle is the midtones, and the right side stands for the light tones. A tall peak means a lot of pixels at that brightness. Empty areas mean few or none. Think of it as a map that helps you see where your photo may be too dark, too flat, or washed out. Below the histogram, you'll notice three small triangles. The left triangle controls the shadows, the middle one adjusts the midtones, and the right triangle sets the highlights. To deepen your shadows and add contrast, click and drag the left, or black, slider slightly to the right. As you do, the darkest parts become richer and more defined. Move it slowly and watch the darkest details. Too far, and you can crush shadow detail. Next, refine the midtones. The center, or gray, slider controls overall brightness without blowing out highlights or losing shadows. Drag it a little to the left to brighten midtones, or to the right to darken them. Small movements can make a big difference, so adjust gradually and aim for a natural look that suits your image. Finally, enhance the highlights with the right or white slider. Drag it gently to the left to brighten the lightest areas and give the image a clean, crisp finish. Be careful not to push it so far that bright areas lose texture. To accurately judge your edits, make sure Preview is turned on in the Levels window. With Preview enabled, you'll see changes applied to the image in real time, which makes it easier to stop at the sweet spot. When you're happy with the balance of shadows, midtones, and highlights, click OK to apply the changes. That's it. Your image now has improved tonal range and clarity using GIMP's Levels tool.